Hi there, in this video I'm going to present how to set up and use the Pineconnector reversal trading strategy and how you can customize it further in more pairs than they are specified in this description. Currently I backtested only on 6 pairs that are mentioned here, and you can see here the screenshots of the performance of each backtest. And also you can scroll here and read the logic of this strategy and the description of each parameters. And also here at the bottom you'll see the parameters customization for each specified symbol there. And also here you can find how to set up with Pineconnector, because if you want to automate this strategy fully, you need to make an account to the Pineconnector, and then you have to create an alert and link that alert to the Pineconnector. But first thing first, you need to subscribe to this strategy first. Okay, then you go to TradingView on the strategy main page. Here you'll need to add it to favorites. This is not actually mandatory, but it will be easier for you to find. Then you go to the charts, and you will find in the indicators part in the favorites the Pineconnector Pepperstone Forex strategy, or either in the invite only scripts here. Okay, after this you will add it to the chart. Okay, and then you'll navigate to whatever symbol you want, but first we'll go to one of the symbols mentioned here. We'll start with the XAUUSD. We are here on the, let's go to the Pineconnector here in the parameters, on the 1 hour chart. Okay, and then we will adjust all the parameters according to the description. For that we can open the parameters either from here, either from the strategy here, hovering, and go to this button here. You'll see all the parameters opened. Now we will copy these from these parameters to the strategy settings. So we'll start with start year and end year, which are by default 2004 and 2013. I added these years because I want to make sure that I capture all the data here, but here you can use whatever years you want, if you want to put this only a single year or whatever. And then the trade symbol here, you can add the XAUUSD, but the strategy already uses the name from here. So, but if your broker has a different name, you can add here whatever gold or whatever you want, and the alert will update automatically. Yeah. Okay. So after this, let's copy here. External reversal false, wait for reversal true. Reversal false, wait for reversal true. The top RSI and the bottom RSI are 113 and 13. Safety threshold 1, profit multiplier 3. Safety threshold 1, player 3. The swing bars and RSI look back are 15 by default. These are rarely changed. And in the risk, we'll use whatever risk you want. So currently we have a max drawdown of 33% and a profit of 343% in 3 years, because this data is from 2021 here. So here we see a backtest of the entire data. See, so 2031 from 4th of January. Let's go back here. Okay. 2024. Let's go to October and today. Go today. And then now let's zoom out. Oh, let's change the chart maybe. Oh, let's refresh. Oh, come on. Let's zoom out. Okay, let's zoom. Okay, almost there. Good. In the backtest in the Pineconnector reversal trading strategy description, I use the Pepperstone, but it should be same results on different brokers. So here, if you put the risk on 1.5, the maximum risk, before we allocated it, we can see we have the max drawdown of 50.64 and the profit of 817, profit factor of 9 and 60% profitable, and the sharp ratio of 0.92, which is very good. Yeah, so you can do the same thing for all the symbols which are mentioned here, and you can also check and backtest on different symbols. For instance, you can go to, I don't know, AUD USD or whatever you want. Let's check GPI, for instance, and here you can adjust the strategy for this symbol. Let's try. You need to make some heuristic here. Okay, so here we have something nice. We have a drawdown of 15% and a profit of 95%. And if you increase the risk, for instance, to 5, look at that. We have on GPI you have 784 profit and 74% profitable, profit factor of 4, and the drawdown of 50. This is also good strategy here. I will also add this to the Pineconnector description here, maybe, I don't know. And in the performance here, we also have a sharp rate of 0.92, which is very good. You can also play here with the swing bars, for instance, with the RSI lookup bars. Here maybe you can see something better, but I found that 15 works best. You can also change here the profit multiplier. Let's see. Oh, it is awful, so let's leave it to 3. Okay, good. So now, after doing this, you'll need to link to the Pineconnector website. Not Pineindicators, Pineconnector. Okay, Pineconnector. Here you'll create a subscription. After that, we'll need to follow the documentation here and how to set up the alerts and link to the TradingView. So for instance, to keep things simple and short, you will go to alerts, create an alert. In the condition, use the Pineconnector reversal trading strategy. In the alert name, you put any alert you want here. And in the message, very important, you need to put the strategy order.comment, because the order comment contains you can see here all the things you need for the Pineconnector. And also very important, you need to set up the webhook here, which is for the v2 pineconnector.net/webhook, and for the v3 let me see, alert setup, this alert, yeah, so for v3 this is webhook. Of course, the Pineconnector documentation contains all the information you need on how to set up an alert and link to Pineconnector. Okay, so you just create it, and that's that. And also very important, before you create an alert, you must add here in the properties the Pineconnector account number here, which will receive from the Pineconnector dashboard after you subscribed to Pineconnector. And that's basically it. Everything I said here you'll find in the documentation here. So also how to set up Pineconnector and some specific orders or some specific errors or anything like that. So I hope this video was helpful, and good luck trading.